Okay, welcome back to another video, guys. I am back, and today I will be playing Roblox. And like seriously, right now, seriously, I will be playing. I'm telling. Okay, I'm gonna play like I'm balding in Roblox. Oh, let's move my face cam down to the recorder button. There it goes, so you guys so I have to move my mouse up and down. Let's make my face cam a little smaller so I can fit it. Okay, there. Now let's play a very hungry Pikachu. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I forgot to. What's up, guys? If you don't know who I am CJ from the side, also known as Roblox_creator, please. And so yeah, I make videos often, like 2 or 3 days. I play Roblox 2 or 3 days. If you don't know me, you should know me now. I just tell you who I am. Okay, until it loads in, because my computer is not very good. Sting. Oh, come on. As you see, let's move it closer. Okay, I'm trying to move my phone. I don't think you can see that, but it says Victory Royal, but I'm trying to show you my time. Okay, let's see how to play this game. Where's my gun? Shouldn't I have a gun? Oh, this just has a motorcycle. Let's check him out. Come here, I wanna get on. Come here, I wanna get on. Come on, I wanna spank you with my ruler. No, he left me. Why could this happen to me? Made my mistake. I know where. Oh, come on. Where is my stupid weapons? Flamethrower? Is that the only weapon I can get? I really have to save up all my money to buy. Oh, pistol is 50 coins. How do I only have 29. I need to get 50 coins. Where are the coins? People are stealing all of them. No, he's chasing me. No, he ate me. Can I jump? Oh, no, I can't. Oh, come on. Just give me some coins. I need some. Why are there flying coins? Come on, me. I want to get the coin. No, he stole my coin. Oh. How do I get up there? Can we jump? We can. But I have to jump on the platform. Okay, I'm an idiot. Let's try that again. Before anybody sees how to do it. Oh my god. This is getting on my nerves. No! He ate me when I was about to get the coin. You noob. Where'd the coin go? Oh, this is my coin. We're so close. He's gonna take the coin. No! He's aggravating. I have nothing. Give me something. Oh my god. Sonic, you're aggravating. You're watching my video. I'm wrecked. Okay, yeah. My MC is CJ from the side, no spaces. It's the poster for beast mode. Okay, let's. Can I get up this? Okay, Sonic's right there. Andrew's on the motorcycle. If you're watching this video, you're in my vid right now. Oh, gotta climb up this thing. It's stupid. Ow. My bones are hurting. Hey, I'm gonna add him. I'm gonna add him. I don't. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. No! He stole my coin. You noob. Yeah, oh, he did. He wants that coin. I'm taking this coin then. No! Oh my god. You knew Pikachu. So I'm gonna buy a pistol. Let's see if we can buy the pistol. Stop chasing me! Why? Oh my god, Pikachu, you're aggravating. I never liked Pikachu. Eating everyone. Stop eating everyone, you stupid boy. No, this is what you get. This is what you got a pistol. Die. Die. Boom, boom. On my other account. Oh no, he's chasing me. Goodbye. Bye. Why? Why me? Ah, my thing's stuck. Oh no, he ate Andrew. Okay, I'm running. I'm just gonna commit suicide. Okay. Somebody has a speed coil. Let's check this game out. Apple pie. Pie. Yes. Hey. Just kidding. It's just kidding. So gravity coil. I want the speed coil, but that costs a lot. Okay, I'm running. I'm gonna check on my own channel. Hold on. Let's see if this actually will work. This is what I'm recording with right now. No, YouTube. Let's check the video. If I was Andrew, if I searched my video up, let's see what happens. It's probably hard for everyone to forget my channel. Wait. Okay. Let's click on press. Here's my vlogging channel. Here's my real channel. So, and she made a diss track on me, which is cringy. And here's all my videos. Roblox Flexcape, exposing a Roblox scammer, playing. I haven't played anything. WTF moments, how to get the J key. Why I didn't make a video. I don't know what this video was. We'll check this video out. I'm gonna see how I did. Okay. Okay, I can't hear it. Okay. Why are you shooting me? I didn't do anything. Okay, guys, the next video I will make is going to be jailbreak. Okay, so I'll see you then. Peace.